Hello, my name is Andrew Lamb. I'm from Group 5. We're the Full Stack Studs, and here's our high fidelity prototype of our app Recipe Realm. We use Figma to build our prototype, and when we were coding it, we've decided to use a React Native for the front end, as well as Python and Flask for the back end, and we integrated Firebase for our database. Firestore for our database, sorry. But yeah, this is our login page. This is what the user will be greeted with when they first open the app. Here we have a username and password so that they can log into their account. But if they don't have an account, they can press join here and it'll bring them to the sign up page. Here they'll enter in a username and password as well as an email. After they're done with that, they'll press sign up. It'll bring them back to the login page. They'll log in with their username and password here and press login. It'll bring them to their screen right here. From our app, we have 5 main screens listed below. Here's the first one in the middle. This is the meal plan / calendar screen. Here, the user will be able to toggle the week that they're on and see when they need to meal prep recipes, how much time it will take them. So right now, they don't have anything right here. Um, Up here, we have 2 buttons. This right one will allow a user to add a meal to their planner. So here we have an example: spaghetti with meatballs. They can choose a meal. They'll choose a date right here, so Wednesday for this week. And here we have a time. So after they fill in all this information, they'll press add to calendar, and it will be added to their calendar. Here we have the ability for them to add a recipe. So they will have a image of the recipe that they will be able to put in, recipe name, cooking time, calories. Here we have ingredients and the quantity of ingredients. They'll press this plus button to toggle however many ingredients they need. And down here are extra instructions that they need to communicate to whatever users are using this recipe. So after they complete all that information, they fill it out thoroughly. They'll press done, and then it'll show up in their recipe book, which is to the left of this page, which I'll show you guys right now. Here's the recipe page. Right now we have 2 recipes. Here you'll be able to view other people's recipes as well as your own. We have 2 examples here: Wagyu steak and ratatouille. So here we have each recipe will come with a chef or the user. It will come with a calorie count and cooking time. And if they would like to view more details about the recipe, they can click view recipe here. Same thing with ratatouille down here as well. They will click view recipe, and it will bring them to the recipe page that will show them all the information that I described before on this menu right here. But yeah, to the left of that, we have a shopping list. This will help the user keep track of how many ingredients they need for which recipe. So here we have ratatouille. Here are some of the ingredients that they need, as well as Wagyu steak. And they will be able to scroll up and down to see all the ingredients that they need for each meal. So if we go to the right, here's the social media aspect of our app. They'll be able to add friends. They'll be able to send them messages. They'll be able to share recipes, like recipes, and all that stuff like that. So they search their conversations right here, and they'll be able to access all of their discussions from this page. And if we go to the right, we have a profile page. On the left side, we have a profile picture, and on the right side, we'll have a chef name as well as a little bio of stuff that they like to do. And right below it, it will have a list of their recipes displayed very similarly to this recipe page, but this will only consist of the user's recipes. So after that, if the user would like to sign out, they can press sign out here, and it'll bring them back to this main login page. And that is all the functionalities for our high fidelity prototype. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.